Shirt if you don't wear it. We turn it into treasure. Use it to make an oversized tote bag. Come and join me. Width 40 and length 27 centimeters, 2 pieces. Cut 2 more pieces of 40 by 13 centimeters patchwork. First we split them face to face. It's the same here. After the car number, cut 2 pieces of axe cotton of the same size. Iron it. After the ironing number, draw a 5 by 5 square below. Draw a 4 by 4 centimeter square at the top. Cut out the little square. And that's it. Cut 4 long 5 by 50 cloth strips below. Draw both ends with rounded corners like this. Draw 2. After cutting it off, leave a turn on the car. This is also face to face. Leave a turn on the car. After the car is ready, trim the feet on both sides. Move to the front and iron it. It's good to pack the car and turn it over. After turning it over, put a visible line on the opening. Then take out our watch department. Fold it in half to the center point. The center point is 6 centimeters on each side. 8 centimeters down from the upper mouth, sit on the mark. This is where we ordered the straps. In this car. Three other ways to do it the same way. After the strap is fixed, we put the watch department face to face with the watch department. This sews the 2 sides. Bottom sewing. Take a look at the thickness of the rotten cotton added. It tastes very easy. Open this corner after the car number. In this car, the seams are 4 layers thick with rotten cotton. Take a look at this machine with ease, except that it can be eaten. Take a look at the thickness. After the car number, flip it to the front. After turning it over, put it aside for later use. The lid does the same thing as the watch cloth. Leave a flap at the bottom. After the rib is done, pack our watch cloth in the lining. Heads to heads. Organize the mouth of the bag. A circle of bright lines on the car. The car comes like this in this shape. After the car number, we will turn this around. Use scissors. Talk to him. Trim the angle. Then turn it from the turn to the front. Turn it to the front and seal the flap on it. After sealing, we will tidy it up. Poke the mouth of the bag like this with a circle of bright lines. After getting out of the line, prepare a 36 centimeters long zipper. We will use this end. Wrap it with a clean edge like this. Then wrap both sides of the zipper with hemming strips. After wrapping, set it directly on the bag. Take a look at the car. The other side does the zipper in the same way as him. After the number is loaded, our bags are ready. We're going to fold the piece directly like this, in the car line. In this way, our zipper bags are ready. It contains 2 oversized inner pockets. It is also very convenient to carry it when you go out. This bag is very simple to make.